Good morning, students. As our chapter 1 is completed, so we are going to start our chapter 2 today, that is polynomials. First of all, we have to understand that what is a polynomial. Students, polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the degree of variable is a whole number. Meaning उस algebraic expression को हम polynomial कहेंगे जिसमें आपके वेरिएबल की जो पावर है वो होल नंबर की टर्म्स में हो। मीनिंग वेरिएबल की पावर कोई फ्रैक्शनल नंबर में ना हो और नेगेटिव साइन के साथ ना हो। नाउ व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल? डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इज हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इन अ पॉलिनोमियल इज कॉल्ड द डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल। हेयर आर सम एग्जांपल फॉर डिफरेंट पॉलिनोमियल्स। सी हेयर, this is first term is x square plus 2x plus 3. You have to check the power of variable in each term. Here the power of variable is 2, here the power of variable is 1, and here the variable is not present, so here the power of variable is 0. So this is a polynomial of degree 2, and here the highest power of the variable is 1, so it is a polynomial in degree 2. Sorry, degree 1. This first one is of degree 2 and second is of degree 1. Here highest power is 3, so degree of this polynomial is 3. Here highest power is 4, so degree of this polynomial is 4. And a polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial, and a polynomial with degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. And degree 3, this is a cubic polynomial, and this one is biquadratic polynomial. Here according to the degree, each polynomial has its zeros. Because the degree is 2 in a quadratic polynomial, so it has 2 zeros. And here the degree is 1, so it has only 1 zero. Here the degree is 3, so it means this has 3 zeros, and here it will have 4 zeros. Now how to find the zeros we have to study in class 10th. How to find the zeros of a given polynomial and how to decide on the basis of the graph that how many zeros that a given polynomial is having. Here we can discuss the graph of a linear polynomial. Graph of a linear polynomial, and standard form of linear polynomial is f of x is equal to ax plus b, where ax is variable and a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So what will be the graph of a linear polynomial? Is in the form of a straight line, and the graph of a quadratic polynomial and what is the standard form of quadratic polynomial? F of x. F of x means a polynomial in x, that is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. ये a को हम 0 क्यों बोल रहे हैं? बिकॉज a ही अगर स्टूडेंट्स 0 हो गया तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक जो है ये पॉलिनोमियल नहीं रहेगा, इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. सो ग्राफ ऑफ अ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल इज अ कर्व. कर्व की फॉर्म में ये ग्राफ बनेगा and that is called a parabola. And on the basis of A, we can decide whether it will be upward parabola or downward parabola. And shape of parabola is this or this one. If coefficient of x square is negative, then it is a downward parabola. डाउनवर्ड पैराबोला मीन्स जो नीचे की साइड से ओपन है. इफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज पॉजिटिव, मीनिंग a is positive, then it is a upward parabola like this.